So I've just received from Pillsorted my 10 milligrams, which is in a cardboardy standard thingy. I did open it earlier, but then I didn't press record. Oh well. So it's come in a nylon, and your woolly, and it's not an ice pack, it's just a cool bag, so it's very melty. I don't know if that, yeah, that's a cool bag. And I did use MedExpress first of all, and then I used them for about 2-3 months, and then I was going to leave them last month and go around all the chemists and get the first customer discount, because this is becoming very expensive. And I bought from them last month because a friend of mine and my daughter started, and so I got an £80 discount. But that's the last of MedExpress. I have used Zava once as well and got the first discount from them. And now Pillsorted, and I think my next one's going to be We Prescribe. We Prescribe. So, where's my name and address? Oh, I need my glasses. I can't see without my glasses. So, it doesn't even have a... doesn't have a label with my prescription on it. That's really weird. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, if you blink you'd miss it. Right, okay, so that's that. Let's have a look inside. I wonder why they have a slot. They always have a slot for the pen, but the pen is very rarely in there. The pen's not very cold, it's sort of coolish. I suppose it will do. But yeah, so that's Pillsorted. And then on to the next chemist. The standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 needles. So that's that. And then we go on to the next chemist, and so on and so forth.